Down, down, down. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Morning.
Morning.
Is it brunch time? We love that Daya cream cheese and peanut butter, obvi, plantains, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, strawberries, and one happy boyfriend.
Hey.
Welcome to The Cloud. This is our house in Woodstock that we have stayed in for the weekend. Gorgeous house. It was designed by a dude named Robert Sulik. I'm gonna show you around inside. Come on in. So this is the kitchen, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. I love how much counter space there is here. As you can see, we did a lot of cooking while we were staying here, didn't we, babe? Mm-hmm. This kitchen certainly did us well, although I wish that there were sharper knives. This living room area is incredibly cozy. The fireplace is toasty AF.
Hold on.
This little journal, guest book, I guess you would say, write a little note about their stay. I enjoyed reading this the other day. Out here is the crown jewel of The Cloud. The hot tub. Being outside in the hot tub while it was snowing the other night, truly magical. Although it is pretty cold outside, so I would like to go back inside now. Thank you. That couch out in the living room was also a pull-out bed. We've got this bed and then we've got the one upstairs. Something I love about this house is all of these big windows. It's like everywhere you look, there's something pretty to look at. The guest bathroom is actually considerably bigger than the master bathroom, which I thought was kind of funny about the setup of the house, but thinking about it, it actually makes sense because the downstairs between guest bedroom and pull-out couch sleeps 4, whereas the master only sleeps 2. So this bathroom has double vanity. It has the tub, shower. Gorgeous spiral staircase. I definitely did a considerable amount of sliding down the banister. Very dangerous. Here is the master bedroom. Pretty nice echo. It has gorgeous wood ceilings, nice yellows, oranges, red. That spiral staircase sort of connecting the upstairs and the downstairs. Now there's not a lot of privacy to the master bedroom for that reason, but for a bunch of friends hanging in a house, it's actually really nice. I'm really digging this bedspread. I also love how many windows there are in here and so many different shapes too. So much light coming in to wake you in the morning, but if you want to sleep in, plenty of curtains to pull down and stay nice and cozy and snuggly and safe from the bears. Soak it all in. I mean, there is something magical about waking up in that warm, cozy bed and looking out all these huge windows, snow everywhere, trees everywhere, no one else in sight. It's so quiet. I don't know if you can hear it, but trees rustling, and you can hear that creek running. We love this house.
We do.
Would we come back?
Yeah.
Springtime, summertime? Would be nice?
Still winter, like the snow on the ground.
Yeah, snow on the ground does really make it. Being in a hot tub while it's snowing, really nice. What were some of our favorite things about Woodstock?
The hot tub.
We love the town.
The sunflower market.
The Sunflower Natural Foods Market. They did us well. They hooked it up with the vegan goods.
They did.
They really did. We ate good bread. We met nice people.
We did.
To the woman in the full was it satin?
It was like suede.
Like velvety.
Velvet.
It was a full velvet outfit, a delicious chai. Mm-hmm. We got some lemon ginger tea from her.
I got a matcha latte.
You got a matcha latte. Beautiful nature and a wonderful time with friends. And with my boyfriend.
Sad to leave.
But we still have the rest of today to explore. So.
Oh yeah, let's go downtown.
What do you say? Shall we go?
Downtown.
Explore. Let's go.
Did we take these veggie burgers?
That's a great question.
Cheers. To Woodstock.
To Woodstock.